Hi everyone, thank you for coming to International Conference. I'm Fauzan Raudatul Hayat from School of Business and Management Bandung, Institute of Technology, Indonesia. In this time, I will explain about my research with the title ABC Platform Strategy in a Building a Used Car Business Ecosystem in Indonesia. So let's start about the chapter 1 introduction. So the automotive industry is one of the main sector that has a significant contribution to the national economy that can be seen from the contribution to gross domestic product or GDP, with reached 10.16% in 2017 and absorbed around 350,000 direct workers and 1.2 million indirect worker. And then a used car are still prima donna in Indonesia because a used car can answer the goal and reason for purchasing from the customer. The goal and reason for buying a used car are so diverse, some of which are like adjusting the financial capabilities. The price of the used car is relatively low and can be adjusted to be the customer financial capability. Then rather that, another reason to buy a used car is that asset value is not too down compared to a new car. So depreciation of the car selling price for car is between 20% until 50% of the initial purchase price. The data and the features in the left side, it is researched by the Karsam Indonesia, and the data explain the middle level is most appropriate target for the automotive industry in Indonesia. The middle level people contribute 55% in the factor of used car sales in Indonesia, and 74% of them are aged 25 until 40 years old, and of course they are millennials. The price of used car that are demand in millennia 100 million rupiah. Before ABC platform operate in Indonesia, Indonesia have the conventional model we call in Mobil 88. Before the emergence of used car startup, Mobil 88 was on the big player who had been active for more than 30 years in Indonesia. Mobil 88 under Astra Group built a C2B2C, customer to customer business model. Mobil 88 buy car from individual and sell to end users. The business developed by Mobil 88 was initially very conventional, but technology-based used car companies such as ABC platform, Karsam, Karo, OLX Autos are forcing Mobil 88 to keep up with the time. Mobil 88 tries to offer technology or digital feature to sellers and buyers. The hope is that Mobil 88 can maintain its existence as the ruler of the used car market in Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, I will move to explain about ABC platform ecosystem. The business model is simply a way for a business actors to get money, how to plan to make money from their business activity in new ways. The business model determines how and what value a company adds it offering the product or services offer. Based on this, it can be seen that a business model is an important indicator of a product or service and source of income and profit for supplier and customer. So if you look at the features, it is ecosystem in ABC platform. ABC platform define sell in as seller and sell out as a buyer. Like any other platform business, the ecosystem play a crucial role in success. Seller and buyer are essential key to increasing car sale at ABC platform. The main business focus of ABC platform is C2B, customer to business model, and ABC platform trying to run other business models such as C2C, B2B, C2B2C. ABC platform run the primary C2B business model because the business model minimal risk. The business volume is more significant than other models, but the margins are relatively small. The role of dealer as a buyer as a significant role. The relationship with the buyers is a very crucial because if the buyer is disappointed with ABC platform, there is a possibility that the buyer will move to the competitor and no longer transact at ABC platform. So the next feature explain about customer journey in ABC platform. ABC platform tries to offer helpful and efficient service customer. The customer make an inspection in the website. The customer will choose date and come to inspection point. After inspection, the price quote is then made between ABC platform and seller. If a seller agree with the offer price, so ABC platform will immediately transfer the money to the seller account without deducting any fees. This process is much more efficient and more effective and give the impression of pleasant service to the customer. Ladies and gentlemen, I will move to explain about a problem, business issue. So ABC platform here to give a new feel to a used car industry in Indonesia. However, ABC platform faces a severe problem. Although ABC platform recognizes itself as one of the Indonesian most significant used buying and selling platform, the business growth is considered stagnant and has not shown significant growth. So if you look the data or graph, it can be seen that ABC platform growth in the industry relatively stagnant. ABC platform may be the market leader compared to similar platform or similar business in Indonesia. However, when we compare to industry or ABC platform is not the role of used car in Indonesia. The average market share is 0.70%, while the highest achieved is only 1.02% market share. So it is the problem from the ABC platform. Ladies and gentlemen, I will move to explain about a business issue exploration. And it is my conceptual framework. I make the analysis based on external analysis, internal analysis. External analysis, I choose the Pestel and Porter. And internal analysis, I use STP analysis, 7P analysis, business funnel analysis, and competitor analysis. And after that, I get a research funding and business solution, and finally implementation plan. I start explain about external analysis, macro environment based on the Pestel. Pestel analysis is a concept in strategic management principle. This concept is used to have two company environment in which the company will operate and plan to launch their service product or anticipate a macro situation that affect its situation. So Pestel analysis including politics, economy, social, technology, environment, and legal. So Pestel analysis provide a new perspective on the macro environment from many different perspectives. Business want to examine when developing a particular idea or plan. So pastel analysis is flexible enough that organization can use it in different situations. So it is the features of the pastel analysis. So key point from here about the political Indonesia in the last year, our government give the tax 0% and have a program PPNBM, and then from the economy about the interest rate, leasing, and social, the habit of Indonesian cultures and technology, internet network infrastructures, legal about document, and environmental factor also consider climate, weather's geographic location, and global climate change. And I move to the external analysis based on the Porter analysis. So the 5 force analysis identified that force that shape business pattern. This method is also commonly used to identify the industry structure and determine the company strategy. So this model can be applied to any segment of the economy, understand of level of competition in the industry, and increase the company long-term profitability. So based on the Porter analysis, we have a 5 force analysis. The first, the threat of new entrant. So in the used car business, the current barrier compared to similar business model are still high. Bargaining power of supplier, which make the supplier power high, the company strength lower. And then bargaining power of buyer or consumer, C2B and dealers. And the trade of substituted product, it is conventional trading model and brokers. And competitive rivalry within the industry, different business model like Hayat Autos, Karo, Karsam, Mobil 88, and etc. Ladies and gentlemen, I will explain about the business funnel. So this data about business funnel from ABC platform. ABC platform business model with the primary model is C2B, is that not many companies run it, especially the concept of used car. Supply and demand are two determining indicators in a used car business ecosystem. So a company expects an ideal position where there is a balance of supply and demand so that the company get maximum profit and continue carrying out operation on ongoing basis. So if you look at the problem from the ABC platform, it is the booking confirmed to show in average start from 2017 until 2021 around 22.7%. So the average annual booking confirm show is 22.7%. So the data illustrate that out of 100% of customers who have agreed to sell their car to ABC platform, and 77.3% have not show up on the ABC platform inspections point. This figure can give a message that is why ABC platform market share still small compared to business volume of the used car industry. So based on interview with staff in ABC platform, they said that customer who had confirmed but they are not present at inspection point with the reason like the customer is unable to attend an inspection center and requesting that the schedule be changed to another day. And then the car had been sold to another party before the inspection schedule. And then the customer changed their mind and does not want to sell a car and other reason. Ladies and gentlemen, so we can continue our presentation about the root cause analysis. So what caused the ABC platform market share below compared the industry? So many reasons why the market share from the ABC platform is a very small compared industry. For example, political policy from the government, high interest rate applies, the trust level of seller and buyer in online transaction is low. The internet not evenly distributed in Indonesia. Company SOP policies and rules and limited operational area. Expected price the seller warn is above the market price. Many similar company offer almost similar services and etc. So from the internal side, what caused the ABC platform market share low compared industry, like negotiation skill are not good, many employees are not productive, the location of the inspection center is far away, and monotone service from ABC platform, and a poor customer quality is an indicative of fake booking. Ladies and gentlemen, we move to the top 30 business solution. So it is the solution about the why the market share from ABC platform is very small compared to the industry. So it is the problem, and in the right side about it is the solution about the problem. For example, the trust level of seller and buyer in online transaction is low. So ABC platform must be education for sellers and buyer, and then customer don't want to come to the inspection center, so the solution is provide home inspection services. So we move to the chapter 4, the conclusion. So the conclusion about the research is ABC platform market share has not been maximized when compared to the market share of the used car industry in Indonesia. The reason is that the funnel business conversion is not optimal. And the second, the most basic strategy taken by ABC platform in increasing market share is productivity. ABC platform can be maximize the potential of sell in and sell out with the maximum. And then ABC platform must be make a planning in short time and for long time. Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and see you.